the pronator teres muscle. It originates as two heads. One is from medial epicondyle of humerus and another from the coronate process. It inserts on the middle one third of the lateral border of the radius. This is the flexor carpi radialis. It originates from the medial epicondyle of the humerus. It inserts at the base of the second and third metacarpals. This is the palmaris longus. It also originates from the medial epicondyle of the humerus. It inserts at the flexor retinaculum and the palmaris aponeurosis. This is the flexor digitorum superficialis. It originates as two heads. One head is the humero-ulnar head. Another head is the radial head. Humero-ulnar head originates from humero-ulnar head at the medial epicondyle of humerus and the medial border of the coronate process, and originates from radial head at the anterior oblique line of the radius. It inserts at the it divides into four tendons. Each tendon gives rise to two slips. That two slips originates at the inserts at the sides of the middle phalanx. This is the flexor carpi ulnaris. It also two heads. One head originates from the one is the humeral head and another is the ulnar head. From humeral head, it originates from the medial epicondyle of humerus, and the ulnar head it originates from the medial border of the olecron process. It inserts it inserts at the pisiform bone. The insertion belongs to hook of Hammett and the base of the fifth metacarpal bone.